Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you my recipe for gluten-free Italian pasta salad with bow tie pasta. It's quick to toss together, so easy to make, and completely customizable. And it's absolutely delicious, so let's get into it and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, I've already boiled my pasta and I'll talk about that in a minute, but let's add in all this stuff. So I have artichoke hearts, grape tomatoes that I've cut in half. This is salami. I think this is Genoa salami. You can use whatever type of salami you'd like. This is black olives. You could also use Kalamata if you'd like. And then I'm adding cucumber. This is an English cucumber, so I left the skin on. You could also use zucchini. And to this, I'm going to add fresh mozzarella pearls, which is one of my favorite ingredients. You could also use aged mozzarella just cut into cubes. And this is pepperoni that I bought, a stick of pepperoni. I think it was boar's head, and I just chopped up the stick. And I'm adding to that some fresh parsley and some fresh basil. And I'm just going to mix this all together, or try to. I found when I started mixing it all together, in usual Kim fashion, my bowl was a little too small to handle this. So I'll just make the dressing first and I'll come back to this. So to make the dressing, I've got a cup or 240 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. I'm adding to that a quarter cup or 60 milliliters of lemon juice, salt and pepper, one large minced garlic clove. This is a teeny bit of honey, just 1 teaspoon. And I've got 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, which is not typical, but it really gives that vinegary punch. And a half a teaspoon or to taste of crushed red pepper flakes. If you like it hot, use more. So I'm going to whisk this all together with my little teeny tiny little whisk that I just love. And then we'll just pour it over the salad and toss. So back to boiling your pasta. You want to boil the pasta for a little longer, like 2 minutes longer than it tells you to on the box. So if your box of pasta says to boil it for 8 minutes for al dente, boil it for 10 minutes. I know that sounds like it's not going to work, but I'm here to tell you a lot of reasons why people don't really like pasta salad is because the pasta tends to dry out in the fridge. And the reason it dries out is because of retrogradation, which happens with all kinds of things with starch in them. Rice, for instance, if you notice that you cook rice up and it's perfect and then you go to eat it the next day, it is like really firm and hard and almost like crunchy. Same thing happens to pasta if you undercook it. So by overcooking it by a couple of minutes, you will solve that problem and you won't have boring pasta salad. So I'll cover this and put it in the fridge for at least a couple hours before serving it, but it will last for a couple of days in the fridge. Enjoy!